Hello and welcome to Created by Law's 2022 year highlights. I don't want to be before you long, and I do have my notebook to keep me focused, but I will say 2022 was a year of trying new things. As much as I wanted to be more on YouTube and more consistent with posting, it just didn't happen for many reasons. But as I look back on what we did this year, I'm grateful and really excited to actually say and share some of the accomplishments that I've had this year. First and foremost, I did have a couple more collections than I did last year. I really enjoyed doing the Valentine's Day collection and the giveaway. I was giving y'all a little sexiness with the satin robes. Then I did do my, well, I guess one and only vending event of the year, but this was my first vending event that I found on my own. Lots and lots of lessons learned. Maybe I'll make a video about it one day, but when you're doing a vending event, make sure you do research on the area, the type of people who will most likely be coming, because you don't want to go somewhere where you're not going to make money. I had the opportunity to do my first big project this year. Well, big project. I think it was 6 dresses that I made for Bloomington Ballet Dance Academy. And it was a process. I was really overextending myself with this opportunity, or at least I felt like it. I was really nervous. I'm one of those people, I can look at something, or at least that's what I like to do. I look at something and say I can do it, and I definitely did that to myself, and it was a lot of going back and changing, making things smaller, trying to figure things out, YouTube University, and in the end it turned out great. I will put some pictures over here so you can see the girls. And yeah, that was a costume that we've actually used a couple of times for a piece. And going into, I'm smiling so big because I think this might have been one of the biggest highlights for me of 2022, the swim collection. I was experimenting with fabric and stretchy fabric, and I just decided to do Created by Law 2022 swim. And let me tell you something. I actually have a YouTube video up. Even though I posted it late, I still posted it because why not? Y'all need to see the bodies, okay? Everyone was looking fabulous in their 2022 Created by Law swimwear. I just absolutely love the pictures, the traveling. It was so cool. My designs were in countries I've never been in, okay? Belize, Mexico, they were, okay, all around the world. And I was still here on the East Coast, but that's alright, you know? Soon I'll be traveling for fashion. Come on, believe with me, believe with me. So after that collection, I got pulled into some other directions just in life and working. So I think I kind of stepped back from my business, but not so much. I actually told myself, you are going to commit to posting for 1 month. Social media and just being a business owner, it can be a lot to be the creator, the designer, the thinker, the lawyer, all of those things for your business. And social media for me is the one thing I just rather create pieces, not content. But I committed to myself to do these 30 posts or 31 posts for the month of September, I believe. Yes, I think it was September. And I have to say, I learned a lot. I pushed through, which sometimes there were times where I was just like, I'm just not going to post. But 11:59, I was posting just because I made a commitment to myself to do it, and I did it. And I'm really glad that I did it. And now I want to push myself to see what more I can do on social media to grow. And also, if I'm honest, I don't love my setup. I don't feel like I have the most aesthetically pleasing setup for social media, but we all start somewhere, and one day I'll be able to look back and say, you remember when I was in that pink and blue room, you know? So I'm excited about that. My favorite individual project that I worked on this year was a custom dress. The client came to me with a picture. She sent me ideas of the drawers she wanted to wear, a picture of the dress that she wanted, and the fabric that she wanted. And together we came up with this beautiful dress. I love the dress so much. I believe she loved it. It was just, I don't want to say perfect, but it was really close to it. And You know, last year I did say that I wanted to work on making dresses. And I did make a couple of other dresses, especially for myself. I love to do a last minute thing and put something together for myself, but to do it for somebody else for their event. She had a beautiful brunch. Please go follow her, Events by B, and I'll tag her in the description. But that was a great time, and it was awesome to design for her. And then I ended up making my pants for the event. I ended up going and meeting great people, and I think that's what, you know, being an artist is about: connecting, collaborating, and networking, meeting new people, and just sharing what you have and receiving what they have. Yeah, 2022 was very unique for me. I think that there's so much more to do, and what to expect for next year, I think that's a big question. But to answer simply, I'm gonna create. I think this year I spent a lot of time not creating just because I was thinking too much. And you know, it's called Created by Law. So anything that I make, it's created by law. So just be on the lookout for fun, different things, upcycles, oh yeah, alterations, new designs, purses, bags, pillows, anything. I really want to test the limits of myself and my creativity and see how far I can go. I'm a planner, so usually I would say something like, I want to use patterns, I want to make 10 coats, I want to do this, I want to do this, I want to do 3 collections. But 2023 is a year of freedom, the year of creating, and just being uniquely you, while I'll be uniquely me. And if you want to collaborate, if you have a design in your head and you don't know how to make it come to fruition, I got you, boo. And on that note, Happy New Year, and continue to be uniquely you.